Сегодня прям отличный день, 2 ноября 2024 года, чтобы катнуть с Ахиллом на Эсто-Хребте. Ну вот и первые лучи солнца. Очень прикольно. Супер эксклюзив 2 ноября 2024 года. Третья контрольная точка. Сегодня 2 ноября 2024 года с Ахиллом на Эсто-Хребте. Эксклюзивно просто. Листопад еще не начался. Через недельку начнется. Второе ноября 2024 года с Ахиллом на Эсто-Хребте. Так, такие дела. Вот я и на Эсто-Хребте сегодня 2 ноября 2024 года с Ахиллом. Второе ноября 2024 года с Ахиллом на Эсто-Хребте, пора катить.
Respect these violent laws or be petrified we crawl. Suffered horribly before, it won't be the second time we lost. Hear the money counters drowning out your empty monologues. I will wipe the floor with new blood, especially dinosaurs. Pick a whole record label apart, don't let me find the flaws. Figured I show up to lead you cause your empty minds are lost. All I see is low carat metals and messy diamond flaws. There's too many crabs in the bucket, I can't be around them claws. In this Game of Thrones, Hefty Don is the final boss. Reputations cracked and scattered, hard to find a corpse. While we wait for the day I could slide the torch, the boat's able to float again. Switch siders when hopping off. Farming wheels across waters, you met me docking Porsche. Salute the fallen and soldiers that rep behind the walls. Fuck a list, I'd appreciate if you left me out of all. Too much for a 1v1, when it's done, it won't be them. Love is love, salute the niggas up above. Rubber gloves, traders need a couple slugs. Just because the devil gon' do what he does, and when he does, it won't finish us. Love is love, salute the niggas up above. Rubber gloves, traders need a couple slugs. Just because the devil gon' do what he does, and when he does, it won't finish us. It's the HE Fendi FNER, nigga. Everybody's out the whip, nothing but empty car pictures. Never try me on my hip, my Prezi arm flickers. Gotta keep myself from sliding Gretzky on slippers. I was calling for change and they left me on crickets. Looking for something dope and they gave me all niggas. So many gifts every other weekend's a small Christmas. I took these skills from the park benches, the bar mitzvahs. Nigga, you fell off and left me a spike of leverage. I'm fucking up your arguments and hypothetics. Hallucinogens and a clip full of psychedelics. You playing around with your life with no life insurance. Sleep for me was hell, I had to fight through mornings. My petty levels up there with Michael Jordan's. Be careful with your word and never like the warnings. Still riding how I shouldn't be despite the warrants. Love is love, salute the niggas up above. Rubber gloves, traders need a couple slugs. Just because the devil gon' do what he does, and when he does, it won't finish us. Love is love, salute the niggas up above. Rubber gloves, traders need a couple slugs. Just because the devil gon' do what he does, and when he does, it won't finish us.
Так, такое 2 ноября 24 года. Катнул с Ахиллом с Эсто-Хребта. Круто.